Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It's been a while since I've uploaded anything, and I've honestly been feeling a little bit out of it, just a little bit down, a little bit anxious, and it's taken a toll on my body, on my mental health, and just my motivation to do anything. It's finally time to kind of change that around. I have a lot of plans for today. Things are so much nicer after a tiny workout and a hot shower. Something that's also been weighing on my mind is that Monday morning I got my PC delivered. So I decided to get my first PC ever. A lot of the friends that I met through gaming, and I got into gaming because of the quarantine, honestly. March was it? May 2020 is probably when I started playing Valorant. I was playing on my PC, which is really living on a thread. It can die any second now, and maybe I'll insert a picture of how dangerous this is. I finally decided to take the plunge, and after all the saving I've done, I decided to go for it and get my PC. I was looking forward to being cool and building my own, but I was like, okay, the more I'm going to wait for these parts to be available or be cheaper, I'm gonna have a PC when I'm 80 years old. It's been a lot of back and forth with a lot of my friends, so I appreciate them for being so patient with me and understanding and just pitching in. Long story short, I received my PC on Monday morning, but because of work and go, I just haven't had the energy. Also in my head, I'm just like, I shouldn't unbox the PC yet because I need to get a new desk first. I need a new chair, I need a new monitor, I need a new headset. Me thinking I need to get all of these things done before I can actually use my PC. And so I think we gotta do it today, right? I'm going to bring you all to unbox. I don't know, would you call me the most patient person ever? Show you right here. It says, please handle with care, fragile. Flipped it down instead so that it is, let me see if I can show you. Now it's going to be like a little horizontal box instead of what it was before. So I got it from NZXT. Is that how you say it? I always think of Next Build, but I'm not sure if that's right. Oh, it looks so good. Look at it. Wait, does this camera show? Oh yeah, you see it. Cheers! So I got this mask so long ago but left it in the fridge and never used it, so we're going to give it a try. Dr. Jart Firm Lover Rubber Mask. Now we're ready. Step 1. Can you see it alright? We gotta massage it into our skin to nourish. Okay. Oh, it's got a funky texture. For at least 15 to 20 minutes. Anyway, this rubber mask wraps the skin to prevent anti-aging ingredients from evaporating while providing a cooling sensation. Strawberry, raspberry, and blueberry extracts improve skin elasticity by supplying rich moisturizing nutrients. Oh, it looks okay. Oh, I think I ripped it. Oh, I think I ripped it. Oh man. Let's try our best to put it on. My mask kind of broke. I think it's supposed to be all in one. But, you know, from far away, can't really tell. You know the challenge where they say to fake laugh until you actually laugh? Should we try it out? Okay. Yeah. Not working. I'll go to the victim orientation. So I just took it off and then just kind of patted my face in with the remaining, I don't know what you call it, ampule. It has been difficult lately, but I got to declutter my email boxes and honestly reorganize them and got my inboxes down to 0 for both my personal emails. And it feels so much better whenever your room is a mess, when your emails are a mess, when anything is a mess. It just kind of gives you an indication of how you're doing as a whole. And so just being able to do that for myself today, unbox my PC, have a good smoothie, have a good meal, do a little sort of workout and in this vlog, and putting an end to such a long hiatus just feels good. My eyelids are actually getting a little bit heavy, and thank you so much all for watching, and I hope that you enjoy.